Well, boys and girls, I'm getting ready to go out and put up do a check on a trail cam and kind of do some more scouting. Oddly enough, the 15th, which today is, I believe, the 13th, so a day or two is the first opening day of Game Bird, which means I'll be doing a quick swap out back to my 410 that I took the turkey with this spring. But thought I'd take a minute here to tell you that about these next upcoming videos. As a matter of fact, I'm going to start with one that's my 44 Remington Magnum on the same gun. That's the 410, and it was my last trip to the range, and some of my physical stuff became quite apparent, especially seeing I forgot some of my good equipment to go with me. But ultimately, it was a bad range day. Nothing seemed to go right. It was one of those days everything you touched just turned to, horse manure. I'll go that way with it. But I'll take a minute and let you see here that I've talked about this a few times, but I got moose antlers on the hood ornament of my fancy old number 7 Massimo Buck 450. And when I say moose antlers, I think they were ultimately supposed to have been like a coat hanger or something, but they were advertised as a hood ornament. And they're made of cast iron, and as you can tell, maybe can tell, that they're starting to rust. But somebody said the other day, as many times as I go to number 7, they didn't know that hood ornament was there. So I thought I'd mention it, and then I'll get back to you after the video. Okay. Trying out sighting this thing in. First of all, I'm going to run a couple of rounds with this guy here. It's Winchester Western 240 grain white box, and then I have Bear Creek Ballistics. I believe these are, well, let me try to read it for you. 225 grain. They got a semi spear with a flex tip on it, and they're claiming 2,080 feet per second, and I don't know what they're using, but I know it's designed for single shot rifles, so we don't expect to see that much. But before we get there, we got to sight them in, and then maybe we'll pick up and do a 5 shot average on these guys. And of course, we're using today our Thompson Center single shot contender and going from there. With an 8-inch barrel, just so you know. Oh, give us a better. You guys need to go around? You need to go around?
No, you're good. We're waiting for you.
You're waiting for me?
Watch that sucker.
You're waiting for me, you're backing up.
I saw it. Yeah, I saw that. That scared me.
Well, not on the paper. Don't know. Well, by God, I saw the paper move that time.
There's any paper left.
So, over here to the right. not sure. We're gonna have to put up a new target. You like this thing, do you?
Yes.
I'm shooting at the red dot right now. If that's what you're looking for.
Say you're about 6 inches to the left and down a half inch.
Oh, I see it at the edge.
Yep.
We're about the right height. Pretty close. So we're quite a bit left. Thank you.
I'd say 3
Still
inches
to the
left and about
That
4
one's
inches
lower,
down.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Or is it?
No, it's lower.
Huh?
It's lower than your last shot, but it's closer to center, right to left. So now you're about 3 inches left and about 4 inches down.
We'll go up some.
You saying prayer?
What?
You doing prayer?
No, I'm looking. I can see this.
Where are my characters?
It's a good thing I brought plenty of targets.
Wasn't here for that one.
I was shooting at the opposite one this time just because.
You talking about the black one on the right side?
Yeah, the black one on the right. I think.
Unless you hit it dead center.
I don't think so. We'll give it another one. Certainly not ready to hunt with.
There you go. So that's inch left, 5 maybe inches down.
It's what?
Inch left, 5 down.
Serious.
Yeah.
That's that one there. Just
So
at the
pretty much
top.
straight below your black diamond.
Right.
Looks like a black diamond.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we still got to come up.
Would a splatter target be easier for you to see? I could go clip one of these out there for you.
Oh, we'll be okay. I mean, let me give this another shot and
Yeah.
see what happens here. We're still a little left. So, can't.
What went down my shirt?
You gotta be careful. This is wear a high neck shirt next time.
I don't have any high neck shirt.
Well, a regular t-shirt, not a V. Nope.
Nope, I ain't seeing squat. I didn't mean to put that in there. The only thing I can think of could be go the opposite direction it's supposed to. But we'll see here right now. clear down by the plant there, the red plant. And if that's the case, this is telling me up one way and it's turning it down instead of up.
That very well could be.
Huh?
That very well could be.
Wouldn't be the first time a red dot messed with your head. Here, well, that one tell us the truth here right now. Because it ain't too bad in line, that one I see. I think I see. Just better put glasses on so I can see something anyway. You gotta cock the hammer on these things before they go off. That looks like it definitely hit the string.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, it moved everything there, but I don't see any hole.
I don't have enough bullets for another
You're just having more fun this time than you did last time.
It's okay, I got bad news. This could be my problem.
Is it loose?
It's tight down here, but it's loose on the platform. Here,
That very
make
well
sure
could
it's
be.
empty. Feel it. Feel the red dot itself.
Oh yeah, right there.
So I got to take that off and cinch it up to the this platform better, because it's not the platform. I guess I'm done with that one today.
No.
Okay, well, never goes the way it planned. Well, it looks like I made it back safe and sound. Old Up in the Creek and I went to a trail I come up to and found earlier this year and set a camera up just randomly. And currently it has probably the biggest buck we've seen in the vicinity, and I think I'll download that picture and put it in, even though it's a night picture and can't really get a good count on that buck, but I think he's got a good solid 5-point buck, possibly 6, and I'll put that in. But as you can see, this is the beginning, or should I say episode 1 of a bad day at the range. And I think I'm gonna call this when Murphy shows up at the rifle range. But this one, you know, I tried to put together, and that's self-explanatory, get my 44 Magnum ready to go for hunting season, and everything came undone. I even had people trying to help me figure out where things was hitting before I discovered that my red dot was coming loose, and I wasn't smart enough to A, bring enough tools, 2, bring my proper glasses for shooting. And when I say proper, I have a special script that helps me at least sort out open sights, and with the red dots it also helps me keep that red dot in focus. But nonetheless, I discovered that was coming loose. And the other thing I forgot to bring was, if I had the tools, I certainly didn't have any Loctite to keep that from happening again. And so there, with that, if you came here wearing your feelings on your sleeves looking to get your butt hurt, well, you may have come to the right place. Look forward to number two. Even though things didn't get any better, it's coming.